Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we are talking about straight up coziness, and I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you for checking out this video, taking some time out of your day and watching this content. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. I've been uploading a lot of videos, so if you've missed anything, you can go check that out. But the topic of today's video is all about that coziness and casual vibe that you have at home. I'm not just throwing on the same pants and sweatshirt every day and just lounging on the couch. If you're doing that, that is all good. Spend this time however you want to spend it. I'm just sharing a little bit of how I go about my day with you guys style-wise, you know, what I've been throwing on to keep it normal, keep it casual, but comfortable at the same time. Obviously, comfort is the number one thing with this. We're gonna dive right into it, and I actually figured I'd show you guys what I'm wearing right now. So there may actually be 6 outfits in this one. Obviously, I've got on some sneakers. These are Pumas, they're in yellow, and basically this room has kind of been where I've been doing all my content and where I've been setting up shop. That'll change, but right now I just like the natural light in here and everything. And so, you know, I'll wear sneakers in here, and a lot of people don't wear shoes in the house. We'll talk about that a little bit more in this video, but you know, I'll wear shoes in here as long as they're not completely destroyed or tracking in mud or anything like that. And of course, I'll vacuum and clean the floors regularly so that it doesn't get piled up or anything. But I do like wearing shoes. You know, I take them off when I'm lounging on the couch, but for the sake of this video, you know, I'm throwing a pair of shoes on, especially because I go out on the porch, or you know, I'm in my driveway or getting exercise however I can, just being outside, breathing in that fresh air. Obviously, I'm gonna throw on a pair of sneakers. So, yellow Puma suedes. These are probably my favorite suedes of all time. Close. The Anwar Carrots are right up there, but definitely one of my favorite Puma suedes on feet. And then for the sweats, I've got just some OG gray joints with that old school scrunchy bottom. Now, I was actually gonna use these for a Win Collection release. Someone introduced me to the manufacturer of these, which is in New York City, and great pants, nice quality material. They're expensive, they're really pricey. So I wasn't sure how you guys would react to sweatpants over $100. And honestly, I think if I am gonna do sweats, I'm gonna go the made in Canada route. And then up top, we got a little bit of hype. This is the Puma and Bape collaboration on this zip up track jacket done in black velour. Absolutely love this jacket. There's Puma and Bape branding throughout. Just really like this jacket, and then no hat. And honestly, my hair is probably gonna go crazy over the next month or so, but it is what it is. That's not really that big of a deal. I can get that cut eventually, or try to do it myself, and then obviously I'm wearing a beard. Okay, so this next outfit I really like, and this is how you can be comfortably stylish in a sweatsuit, in my opinion. You know, everyone's got a sweatsuit, and that's such a loose term. You can throw on your most worn-in pair of sweatpants and any sweatshirt you want, and that's a sweatsuit. But this is as well. So these are H&M jogger pants. They're in this forest green color, and in my opinion, this is kind of the standout piece of this outfit. These are super cheap. They're like 17 bucks. I got them last season, and they are that jogger style with a cuff down at the bottom, and I'll still wear jogger sweats. I like this look. The material is actually a mid-weight, and it's kind of on the thinner side, so it's a little bit more breathable. So some people may like that depending on where you are. Right now, it's a true spring for us, so the average temp is probably like 50 degrees, maybe a little bit less than that. And in the crib, these are just perfect right now. I've got on some white and green Air Force Ones, and the Nike swoosh matches the pants exactly. And this is my kind of matching. This is, yeah, matchy, but not too matchy, where I'm wearing like a green top too. I'm not. You know, this is just a little bit of a match, and I think that this is kind of how you accessorize things. And Air Force Ones are just so comfortable for me. They're wide and they fit my foot well. They've got support with the air, and they're not too restricting. The toe box is a little bit big. And then up top, I've got a quarter zip sweatshirt from Palace Skateboards. So this is a light French terry. It's done in gray. It's got a quarter zip here, small Palace logo on the left side, and then more detailing on each of the zippers. The style of this sweatshirt makes it a little bit more dressy, and this is exactly what I mean about stepping up your sweatsuit game. Implementing different types of fleece and sweatshirts into the mix that may be a little bit outside the norm of just a standard hoodie, you know what I mean, or even a standard crew neck. This spices it up with the quarter zip right here. Excuse me. That is bomb. Okay, so this next outfit is probably my favorite one in the video. I absolutely love this fit. You know, shorts and hoodies, that's the combo right there. I feel so comfortable in this, and I'm throwing it in there because a lot of you guys are in warmer weather areas and you're in shorts right now. Most of you are just chilling at home in shorts. You probably even have your AC on. Not me. I still got the heat on, and it's pretty rare for me to throw shorts on this time of year. However, it does feel good. Each item that I'm wearing right now, I'm so happy with. Let me start off with the shoes. On feet, we got Jordan 3s. This is the UNC colorway, and you guys have seen these already, but I have not worn them outside yet. So let me know if any of you guys do this, but I undead stock a lot of my shoes inside. I have no problem wearing brand new shoes around the house just to break them in a little bit. You know, maybe I'll vacuum, do a few chores. It breaks them in. It also gives me an idea of how comfortable they're gonna be. I know how Jordan 3s feel on feet, but still, something about wearing brand new Jordans in the crib, it feels great. I don't know if anyone else does that. And then obviously I've got some high cut white socks, just that little Tommy logo on the side I'm just obsessed with. And then the shorts, these are from Jordan brand. They've got a UNC patch on the side. So again, this is matchy-matchy, but it's not over the top. You know, if these were all Tar Heel blue, the shoes, I don't think I would do this combo, but they're not. So just that little accent color on there paired with these light blue shorts, it works. And then it's got like a tech fleece style zipper on the right side, which I really like. That's not something you see on basketball shorts too often. And then up top, this hoodie, this is something I guarantee none of you have ever seen. It's pretty rare for me to thrift something and wear it often. That's exactly what I got here though. So this is a vintage Russell Athletic hoodie. I got this at some thrift store in Westerly, Rhode Island. So shout out to anyone in Rhode Island or even in that area. My brother's big into thrifting. He's got all these spots. So he took me here. Being completely honest, I'm just not big into that scene. I like new stuff and new styles as opposed to the older, but that's just me. Everything I typically thrift, I end up not wearing. However, this is an absolute gem. This was made in the USA. It feels and looks brand new. There's very minimal wear on this thing. It's in this super light heather gray. It's almost white. The details on this sweatshirt are nuts. It's got a button collar, which you really don't see. The drawstring around the hood is up a little bit higher than it typically would be. Down at the bottom, it's got a draw cord, which is super rare to find on a hooded sweatshirt. And then it's got the old school Russell Athletic logo embroidered on the left side, and then two hidden front pockets. So this sweatshirt is super cozy and it fits well with the UNC vibe, and this is the look. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let's keep it rolling. Okay, so this next stay-at-home outfit is kind of funny because this breaks all my rules. Now, there's no rules in fashion per se, but I have my own personal set of guidelines that I like to adhere to, and one of them is not wearing flannels or button-up shirts with sweatpants. It feels great, honestly. It feels great. Sometimes it's like a nice lightweight layer that's different than a sweatshirt, and then sweats are obviously super comfortable. The reason I don't do it is because sweatpants say relaxation, comfort, I'm staying home, I'm chilling. Up top with a button-up shirt, it kind of says business casual, in my opinion, or dressy. I'm going somewhere, let's do something. You know, the collar on the shirt just makes it a little bit more formal, and the kind of like one-size-fits-all sweatpant vibe is different than that. In my opinion, it just feels like you're saying and doing two different things when you pair sweats with a button-up shirt. Now, who cares about all that? So this is a plaid flannel. It's from the Gap. I love the colors on here. It's turquoise, navy, red, and then these sweatpants are from Talentless. These are some of my favorite sweatpants. I'm always in them. I have like 5 different pairs. I'd highly recommend them to you guys. I'll link them down below if you want to grab a pair. They're pigment dyed. So they've got this washed look, and then it's got that old school elastic cuff. And then I've got some Nike SB Dunks down at the bottom, and that's also another combo I really don't do. If I'm wearing SBs, I'm typically wearing a pair of jeans or khakis. I really don't pair them with sweats that often, but I just thought the color combination of these works well with like the hat that I'm wearing. You know, I like throwing on hats, obviously. I'm a hat guy. I definitely still wear a hat at home. You know, I like color right now, especially given the time of year it is, spring, we're rolling into summer. Even though we're hanging inside, I still like these spring colors. Okay, now we have an outfit that if you work in an office, you're probably familiar with. This is kind of a casual Fridays type look, where I've got denim on, a sweater. A lot of you are probably working from home right now, and throwing on something other than sweatpants can be just a little minor detail that helps you be a little bit more productive and get into work mode. And a lot of you may have to do like a video call from home if you're still working. So throwing on a sweater like this is perfect. It's still comfortable. This is a lightweight Lacoste sweater. Sometimes a small logo like this can make something appear a little bit dressier than it is. I don't have a ton of Lacoste stuff, but I do think they make great thin sweaters, which are perfect for this time of year. And then down bottom, I've got some comfortable New Balance on, but you can also throw some slides in the mix. I'm sure a lot of you guys are wearing slides right now. So for me, if I'm gonna throw on some New Balance, they gotta be some bangers. These are the Kennedys, a collaboration with Concepts. Absolutely love this shoe. And this fit just has a little bit more of a work vibe, but still very comfortable. Oh, the denim, didn't even talk about the denim. These are from Everlane. This is just a standard blue denim. There's nothing crazy about this. It has a little bit of a light wash on the thighs and going down towards like the shin area, but it's that very acceptable, standard, traditional denim look in this blue color. So I absolutely like these jeans a lot, and they're so broken in. If you don't have a pair of these jeans yet, I'd highly recommend them to you guys. I'll link them for you down in the description. They look great with sneakers. They look great business casual. You can dress them up. There's other colors, but very comfortable pair of jeans. So I'm rocking them with this look. Let's keep it rolling. All right, and then the last outfit we got here is continuing with that super comfortable look. Obviously, more sweatpants and a sweatshirt on, but it's different. Here's why I really like this one. The colors. This is an all pastel look pretty much, with the yellow crew neck and then the pink sweatpants. Me personally, you guys may be different, but right now I want to wear a lot of color. It just adds a little bit more of a fun dimension, a little bit more positive look to your outfit. Does pink and yellow necessarily go together all the time? Probably not, but I just like the way it looks together here. So these are, again, my favorite sweatpants that you can buy right now. These are talentless, pigment dyed, and then the top is my own. This is a sample from the Win souvenir collection. Shout out to anyone that bought a crew neck or a hoodie. I really appreciate it. I hope you're wearing them right around now. The graphic is more winter, but the color is more spring and summer. So maybe I'll slip this in there somewhere. On feet, I've got my Vans slip-ons. These are the checkered joints. And what's funny about these is I believe that Louis Vuitton issued a cease and desist to Vans or something like that, because they pulled these from all the stores. I don't know why. You can still get the white and black colorway, but not like this graphite one that kind of has that damier type look. It's raining right now, but if it stops and I do go outside, I'm gonna throw on these Yeezy 700s, the Wave Runners. I have not worn these in probably like a year. I have not been wearing many Yeezys at all, but the colors, I like the way that the colors would go with this outfit, especially the laces. I haven't been wearing many Yeezys, especially not 350s, because I feel like the way that they are flooding the market with them, I don't know, man. It's just, it seems very forced. It seems uninspired. We'll see if some of these summertime colorways change my mind, but I don't need any more black or white 350s. So there you go with a look at my comfortable outfits. Make sure you hit that thumbs up before you leave this video. I hope you guys are all safe, comfortable, stylish, and being productive from home. I have a lot of videos I've uploaded recently. If you missed any, go check them out. Gonna have a lot more on the way as well. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. Also, I'm posting on Instagram a lot, so if you're not following me over there, make sure you go do that. But anyway, I'm out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.